to another video.
What are we doing today, Faith?
We're opening up a new tablet
You got a tablet from who?
from
See,
Idea.
Before we start in this video, what should they do?
Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bang, bang, dang, dang, jang, jang.
All right, hit that bell. Bang, bang, jang, jang.
Blang, blang.
Bling, bling.
Those rhymes.
All that stuff. Okay, so we're going to get into this tablet, y'all.
Please, can I open it? I'm too excited. Wait, right now? Okay.
What the package looks like, the company is called See Idea. They reached out to us for a collaboration. This is a, guys, before we get into it, before Faith opens this up, this is a 12-inch smart PC tablet. It has Facebook app, it has a YouTube app, it has Wi-Fi, you can play games, it has a WhatsApp on it, so you can also use this as a phone as well. So this has a lot of features. It's also good for education games, it's good for development skills for your child. It also has 64 gigabytes inside. It's a 1280 to 800 pixels. It also has a great eye protection for your child. So it also protects your child. You know how you look in the computer all day, but this has something great inside. It protects your child's eyes. So if they're looking at it, it's gonna protect their eyes. So this is great. Shout out to See Idea for sending this to us. If you are interested in this PC smart tablet, if you are interested in this PC tablet, we will have the link in the description. So let's get into it. Faith is going to open it up.
Yes.
Oh, it's really cute. Okay, let me just show them. This is the tablet, guys. Okay, so this is a tablet, guys. This is what it looked like. I'm going to show you. This is the back of it. It has a cute little alligator on the back. It's very durable. It's very soft. It also has, I believe this sticks out. I'm trying to.
I know how to do it. I'm good. Oh, God.
Okay. So it also has this on the back of it. It has this on the back, so this will stand up if you want to take this with you traveling. If you want to sit in her room, sit in the kitchen, you can just stand this up on the table just like this. It also comes with this little pin here. So of course, if you're playing a game, you can use this to play the game, to mark on it, this little pin here.
And you can use it to draw.
And that's right, you can use it to draw. It also comes with a charger. So we're gonna power this on. I just think this is just too adorable. This is so cute, guys. I love the little alligator. I love that it's real soft, it's durable. So if you drop it, it'll be protected. So we're gonna let Faith power it on. Okay, so Faith powered it on, guys, and it is just too adorable and cute. So you can hear it. Okay, so now we're going to see the things that it have on there. We're going to show you step by step. If you're enjoying this video, please thumb up this video, give us a like. You can share this video as well. And if you're new here, you can also subscribe to the channel if you're new here. If this is the type of content you enjoy, join the fam. You won't be sorry, right, Faith? They're going to love it here. Okay, so we're going to show you the features on it, so give us a moment. Okay guys, so oops, I forgot to mention the tablet is also touch screen, so you can just touch on top of the screen and it moves and does everything, which is really great. So this has a lot of features on it, so we're going to get into all of this. The smart tablet for kids, I just think is really cute. It's kid friendly and I just love it. You love it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to show you all the little details. I'm going to power it on. You power it on here. And I'm going to show you all the details and everything. When you cut it on, it's this pretty color display. You have the date there, which is June 13th, Thursday. You have the little lock it button here. And like I said, it's touch screen. You have a little thing where it needs charging. So I'm gonna just I'm gonna power that on again. Okay, so I'm gonna unlock it. You put in your little passcode. Oops, let me do it again. It's very sensitive, y'all. So I'm gonna put in pass. Okay, so I'm gonna press enter. Okay, so now it's on camera. It have a video. You can record, or you have the camera. And now I'm going to get off camera and I'm going to go to the apps. This is the volume buttons here. Go up and go down. And I believe Faith was playing on it. So I'm trying to come out of camera. Okay, so you have your airplane mode, just like a phone, Bluetooth, battery, internet, do not disturb. If you don't want to be disturbed, you can click that on there. So okay, so we have photos here, YouTube, WhatsApp, Play Store. You can download all your little apps there. We have FM radio, Gmail. We got some little games here. So I'm going to click on the little game here. So this is a little game for kids. I'm gonna hold it like that. So this is like a little game you have for kids. Of course, you will have to unlock it, parental lock there. I'm just trying to show you some little things on this app, which is really cool. So basically, if you click on YouTube, you can pull up your YouTube account here. And you just let that load up, and you could type in anything you want to type in. And then of course you can type in the calendar. It has a calendar here. Let's see what else we got. So I'm gonna come out of there. You have a calendar here. You have a Google Calendar here, of course. And we didn't set up anything yet on here, but I'm just showing out a little apps. Of course, you got the Play Store, unless you want to add some fun apps on here. Is really, really, really cool. So yeah, this is really cool. I'm gonna give this here a big thumbs up. The camera is clear. You can talk on the phone with this, with the WhatsApp, which is really, really great features. Yeah, I kind of like this for myself. I don't want to show nobody's anybody's phone number. I'm gonna just blur that out. But yes, it's really cool, like, period. It's really cool. It's really cool. I like the fact that you can set this up on the back. It's very colorful for kids. Faith, she stood this up. You push the little alligator's feet out, and you can just let it sit like that, which is really, really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna give Sea Idea a big thumbs up. This is really cool. If you are interested in this item, we will have a link in the description. So yeah, you can take it with you, travel with you. It's very colorful. I have tons of apps you can download on here. It's really fun for kids. Colors really cute and fun. I'm gonna give this a big thumbs up, y'all. Faith went to sleep, so I had to finish out this video. But on that note, give us a thumbs up, like the video, drop some comments, and let us know what y'all think in the comments. But yeah, I'm going to give this a big 10. CID, I really appreciate this for this collaboration. We appreciate the love and support, y'all, you guys have been showing. Catch us on the next one. Peace and blessings. Stay amazing. Stay humble. Stay wise. We love y'all. Peace out. Bye.